Hi, and welcome to week 7 of quantitative reasoning. This week in class, you'll be taking your Unit 2 assessment and we'll be starting Unit 3. For your Unit 2 assessment, you have two options to choose from for this assessment. For Unit 3 this week, we'll be covering lessons 8A and 8B. You will also be completing your Unit 3 activity, lesson quiz 8A and 8B. Please do not forget you can take these as many times as you would like. Let's quickly review your assessment information. You will have from October 8th to October 14th to complete your Unit 2 assessment on D2L. You can choose between taking a traditional Unit 2 exam or the Unit 2 test alternative, which is an additional project. Please note, once you open the exam, you are committing to taking that as your assessment. It is recommended that you look through the alternative assessment first, so that way you can decide which you would like to complete. You will also have your Unit 2 notebook check and your Unit 2 homework portfolio due this week. Before we move away from our announcement page, please make sure that you watch this extra video before you take your Unit 2 assessment. I also provided a Word version of a worksheet and a PDF that goes along with the video. Let's take a look at our two assessment information. So if you take the first option, you're going to be taking your traditional exam. You'll click this first link down here to access the exam, and you will turn your work in down here. Please note that turning in your work is a great opportunity for you to get partial credit on any questions that you miss. So again, I recommend that you take a look through your Unit 2 test alternative before you commit to which option you would like to take for your assessment. This is an additional project, and the information for this project can be found on D2L. Make sure you read through this thoroughly so you're getting as many points as possible. The rubric is also attached so you see how you will be graded for this assessment. We also see in week 7, you will be completing lesson 8A and 8B via Edpuzzle. Please make sure you're filling out your notes and completing the additional preview and practice assignments found on D2L. Again, those will be found under Content, which we're going to scroll all the way to the top. Content in the left corner. We're now in Unit 3, Lesson 8. For instance, Lesson 8A. Again, do not forget, we do have the answer keys available for you, so you can do your preview assignment, then check your answers, and again, complete the practice assignment and check your answers. I do have student hours throughout the week if you have any questions or need help preparing for your exam. I hope you guys all have a great week, and I hope to hear from you if you have any questions or would like to connect to talk about anything with the course.